Hi there, Rob. Thank you for taking time out your day to answer a few questions.
No problem.
Could you just tell me what your name is, what your role is, and what it involves, please?
Yeah, Nathan Percival. I'm the engineering manager at Mylor Yacht Harbour. Responsibilities are obviously responsible for all the marine engineers. I've also got a marine electrical team. Also got a parts and shop department as well, which I'm responsible, and the buyer on site. Also look after all the plant and machinery, and also all the customers, vessels, etc.
Okay, could you tell me what qualifications you'd need for this to be able to do your role?
My role, when I first started in marine engineering, it is very different to what's available now. For instance, I work quite closely with organisations like the Falmouth Marine School and the Cornwall Marine Network in bringing apprentices through. So there's a lot more courses available for when I started. Personally, myself, I did a 5-year in-house apprenticeship, and then sort of worked my way up from there. But there is definitely a lot more available today than there was when I first started.
You mentioned about apprenticeships in the previous question. How do you feel apprenticeships benefit your business and the general economy?
Hugely. I'm a great believer in apprentices. Pretty much all of my guys have all come from apprenticeship. Some slightly different. Some have gone through the marine school type apprenticeship. Some I've done in-house. Sort of some of the older ones when there wasn't, the available courses we've done in-house and invested in that way. But certainly from an employer's point of view, having apprentices coming through is a massive must for us. We can, as an organisation, we're quite unique in what we do, so we've got a lot of different skills other than engineering on site. So to be able to sort of mould a person into what we're looking for from a young age and bring them through, I found has been sort of very beneficial for us, moving the business forward and as we've sort of expanded.
And in terms of, you mentioned about apprenticeships in terms of your business, but how do you think they benefit for the local economy in the southwest and mainly Cornwall?
Yeah, totally. I mean, 75% of my guys are local guys anyway, sort of Falmouth, Mylor, Flushing. We've got a few from sort of the Troy, St Agnes area. And yeah, I mean, obviously it's great for the local economy to be able to bring sort of locals in. And I think it's also good for customers as well, especially sort of visiting customers from out of the county with their vessels. They get, like to interact with local people and local knowledge. So I think it's very beneficial all round, not only for the local community and so forth. It's good for everyone. Yeah,
that's brilliant. What was your first job?
My first job, proper job, was an apprentice marine engineer.
Okay.
So I was a little bit different in how I got into marine engineering because originally it was a family business before it was sold about 12 years ago to Mylor. So I followed the natural progression, with my father into marine engineering, and like I said, did a 5-year apprenticeship in-house. There wasn't any sort of marine engineering courses available for me at that time, and it just seemed far more better for me to do it in-house, with my father's experience, and that's how I sort of came into the industry really. And then from there, obviously, from a service engineer to moved on from there basically and progressed as my skill set developed really.
What have you got any hints and tips for apprentices, young people at the moment looking to get into marine engineering? What would you say were the best places to go, and any advice you would say for someone aspiring to get into it?
Obviously, the Cornwall Marine Network, that's a good starting point. Like I say, I work very closely with Falmouth Marine School as well. They're very good, starting bases. But aside of that, you really want to have a passion for it, and you really want to do it. I'm not going to lie, it's a very physical, demanding job, but it's very rewarding as well. And you only get out of it what you put into it, really. And it can establish you to go on to lots of different roles within the marine industry as well, and work overseas and super yachts and stuff like that. So, but you've got to put dedication in, and you've got to be willing to want to learn and sort of research and follow things up outside of your college courses or your work placements and so forth. You've really got to have the hunger to want to do it, really, to be able to proceed and progress, if you like.
That's right, that's fantastic. Thank you for your time, Nathan. And my last question, what made you choose a role and a career like this one?
As I alluded to earlier, it was a great rate of pay, but it